You can create shortlists of members. These shortlists can be saved and shared with other people. You can add a member to a shortlist by pinning the member. When you pin a member, the map marker is also pinned. You can save the group of pinned members to a named shortlist. When you come back to this shortlist, only the pinned members will be displayed. If you want to see the unpinned members as well, you can save the current search by selecting this box. For each pinned member, you can also add comments. This will be saved with the shortlist and will display when you come back to it. To save your shortlist, click on the disk icon. You can find all your shortlists by clicking on the clipboard icon. To open a shortlist, click on the name of the shortlist. When the shortlist loads, you can continue editing it by running new searches, pinning, and unpinning members. Once you've finished viewing or editing a list, you can click here to close it. Clicking on the Share button creates an email with a link to the shortlist. When the other person opens this link, they will see the shortlist and comments, but won't be able to change it. You can send this list to anyone, not just a Bartercard member. To delete a shortlist, click on the Trash button. If at any time you get stuck, you can always bring up the tutorial by clicking the question mark. Choose from the 4 guides and you will be taken through the step-by-step tutorial. Thank you for watching. Click here to view our other tutorials.